Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to help you to determine the molecular geometry of dichloride monoxide. It has a chemical formula of OCl2, and to understand its molecular geometry, we are first going to look at its Lewis structure. This is the Lewis structure of OCl2, where oxygen is forming single bonds with two chlorine atoms and there are two lone pairs of electrons attached on it. We should always note down the number of lone pairs and bond pairs attached to the central atom in the Lewis structure as they affect the final geometry of the molecule. So if we look at its structure in 3D, we can see that the structure is bent. Let us use AXN notation method to confirm that. We have here A stands for central atom, X are the number of atoms that are forming bonds with the central atom, and N is the number of lone pairs of electrons present on the central atom. So we have oxygen as central atom, there are two chlorine attached to it and two lone pairs. That gives us a general formula of AX2N2. If we refer to this table here, we can see that the molecules that have AX2N2 formula have bent shape with bond angle of 109.5 degrees and hybridization as sp3. For more such videos, make sure to subscribe our channel and thank you for watching.